Hi, it's Marcus Timpson at FuturePrint Industrial Print in Munich. Happy to report it's been a fantastic success. People have come from probably over 15 different countries.
This is our first time running this event under the guise of FuturePrint.
I think the vibe has been really great.
The location is unique. It's beautiful, it's relaxed, it's open, the atmosphere is very good.
Very impressed by the event quality and the quality of the attendance.
The event's really delivered at both the technology community, but also the converter community and the OEM community, and also end users and brands.
I think it's a really unique event. I'm very glad to see you guys back in the event space in this area. There's not a lot of places for us to go where you have an entire event that's pretty much focused on direct to object and what I call print for manufacture or functional printing. And you've brought together, I would have to say, the top 10, 15, 20 leaders in both of those spaces.
Me personally, I've been around in the inkjet industry for a while, and I've had conversations with people who I've never met before.
For me, it was a way to have some marketing initiative, create awareness around the technology, but actually what we got is actual sales opportunities.
It's been a blast, and we are very happy to be here and very happy with the organization.
It's been an amazing event. We've had over 500 visitors on the 2 days, had some fantastic conference speakers, had some great networking going on. We've also had all the machines running, showing what they do, really exciting the audience.
I want to thank all of our sponsors, all of our speakers, all of our exhibitors, and not least the FuturePrint team for pulling off a really stunning first event at Motorworld in Munich. Thank you.